Mazda just did something rare for a relatively fresh SUV. The 2027 CX-90 is arriving with direct answers to every complaint owners raised, turning one of the segment's best-looking three-row vehicles into its most well-rounded one. If you've been eyeing the CX-90 but kept coming back to the same hesitations, the tech interface, the interior materials, or whether the powertrain justifies the price, this update was built with exactly those concerns in mind. Most buyers assume a mainstream three-row means compromising on either power or premium quality, but the 2027 CX-90 is the only model in this class running a turbocharged inline-six, wrapped in a cabin that cross-shops directly against Acura and Infiniti. Updated styling. Now entering its fourth year of production, the CX-90's styling has proven to be one of its strongest assets. Clean, confident, and distinctive enough to hold its ground against rivals that have since launched full redesigns. Mazda's Kodo design language doesn't need reinvention. It needs refinement, and that's exactly the direction the 2027 model is taking. There's a specific frustration that comes with owning a well-designed SUV that starts to look its age before the loan is paid off. Softer styling, trendy details that date quickly, a grille that looked fresh in year one and tired by year three. That cycle doesn't apply to the CX-90. The 2027 update sharpens rather than replaces. Crisper headlight graphics, a more defined grille treatment, and a refined bumper design at the front with updated LED taillights and revised rear trim details completing the picture. The 200.8-inch length and 122.8-inch wheelbase remain unchanged, keeping the proportions that made the original work firmly intact. The styling is holding up beautifully, but the reason buyers keep coming back to the CX-90 has nothing to do with how it looks on the outside and everything to do with what's sitting under the hood. Inline-six smoothness. Pull up the spec sheets for the Kia Telluride, the Honda Pilot, and the Toyota Grand Highlander. Every single one runs a V6 or a turbocharged four-cylinder. The CX-90 is the only mainstream three-row in the segment equipped with a turbocharged inline-six, and that distinction carries more weight than the spec sheet alone suggests. Two variants are on offer. The base engine is a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six producing 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. The S designation models step up to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet from the same displacement, covering 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds, quicker than most rivals in the class. Anyone who's merged onto a busy highway with a full load of passengers and luggage knows that split-second hesitation when you floor the gas. The delay, the surge, the noise that tells you the engine is already at its limit. That's the experience an inline-six eliminates. Power delivery is linear rather than peaky, and there's enough low-end torque to make the CX-90 feel effortless in exactly the situations where most three-row SUVs feel strained. Fuel economy holds up just as well. The EPA rates the CX-90 at 25 miles per gallon combined, 23 city and 28 highway, and in real-world highway testing at 75 miles per hour, the S Premium Plus returned 29 miles per gallon. For a three-row SUV producing 340 horsepower, those numbers are genuinely uncommon. The engine alone makes the CX-90 worth a serious look, but if you think the powertrain is the most impressive part of this SUV, wait until you see what Mazda has done to the cabin. Premium interior. What most buyers don't expect from the CX-90 is a cabin that genuinely benchmarks vehicles at a significantly higher price point, but that's exactly what's waiting inside. Think about the last time you sat in a mainstream three-row and ran your hand across the dashboard. That hollow sound, the slightly grainy texture, the panel gaps that remind you exactly what you paid. Walk into a CX-90 and that experience doesn't repeat. Fabric dashboard inserts appear on high-grade trims, Napa leather upholstery arrives at the Premium Plus level, and the material consistency throughout sits closer to what Acura and Infiniti deliver than what you'd normally encounter at this price. Front row occupants are well served by 8-way power adjustable seats, spacious and supportive enough for long-haul comfort. The second row offers a standard bench, with captain's chairs available across most trims and standard at the Premium Plus. The third row is sized for children rather than adults, the segment's persistent compromise, and the CX-90 is no exception. Behind it, 16 cubic feet of cargo space handles carry-on luggage without difficulty. Fold those seats for 40 cubic feet, or drop all rear rows for a maximum of 75 cubic feet. The interior sets a standard that few rivals at this price can match, but the technology package built into it is what completes the picture, and some of what's in here you simply won't expect. Tech features. The CX-90's technology layout reflects Mazda's consistent philosophy: put frequently used controls within easy reach and reduce reliance on menus for everyday adjustments. Most modern SUV infotainment systems assume touchscreens are the answer to everything, which works fine in a parked driveway but becomes a problem at 65 miles per hour. Missed presses, eyes pulled off the road, and 3 taps to change a radio station are the daily reality of touchscreen-first design. The CX-90 routes its core functions through a rotary knob on the center console instead, allowing confident, eyes-forward operation without hunting for a target on a glass panel. A 12.3-inch display is standard across all trims above the base Select, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included throughout. Factory navigation is available on upper configurations. The audio system starts with an 8-speaker arrangement and steps up to a 12-speaker Bose Premium setup from the Premium Sport trim onward. Mazda's iActiveSense safety suite is standard on every CX-90, meaning automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control from the base trim upward. Available upgrades add a 360-degree camera and rear cross-traffic alert, while the NHTSA awarded the CX-90 an overall 5-star safety rating. The technology case for the standard CX-90 is already strong, but there's an entirely different version of this SUV that takes performance, efficiency, and daily usability to a completely different level, so let's talk about that next. Plug-in hybrid. The plug-in hybrid version makes a different kind of argument, one built around the idea that a family SUV should cover most daily driving without ever opening the fuel filler. Think about the actual shape of most weekly driving patterns: school runs, grocery trips, the commute, weekend errands. For most families, that adds up to well under 25 miles a day, which means a charged battery handles the entire routine without the gas engine starting. The CX-90 plug-in hybrid is built around that reality. Its 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack delivers an EPA-rated 25 miles of pure electric range per charge, and charging from 20 to 80% on a 240-volt connection takes just 90 minutes. The performance case is equally strong. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and a single electric motor combine for 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, making the plug-in hybrid the quickest CX-90 available at 5.9 seconds to 60. In highway hybrid mode, the system returns up to 28 miles per gallon, with a combined efficiency rating of 56 miles per gallon equivalent and a total range of 510 miles. The result is a 3-row SUV that runs on electricity daily, handles longer trips efficiently, and outperforms the base engine whenever full power is needed. Considering what it costs and when it's arriving, the final chapter of this story might be the most satisfying one yet. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-90 is heading to dealerships later this year, with the full lineup arriving in phases across trims and powertrain configurations. The gas-powered lineup is about to start around $41,000, reaching approximately $59,000 at the top. The plug-in hybrid enters at roughly $53,000 and tops out near $61,000. The 2027 Mazda CX-90 is arriving as an SUV that earned its update by listening, styling refinements that keep the Kodo design sharp without disrupting what works. A turbocharged inline-6 in 280 and 340 horsepower configurations, returning up to 29 miles per gallon while outrunning rivals to 60. A cabin dressed in Napa leather with up to 75 cubic feet of cargo space and build quality that belongs in the Acura and Infiniti conversation. A technology package anchored by a 12.3-inch display and a 5-star NHTSA safety rating, and a plug-in hybrid variant producing 323 horsepower, covering 25 miles on electricity and stretching to 510 miles of total range, starting at $53,000. For a 4-year-old model, the 2027 CX-90 is making a stronger case than it ever has, and the segment is going to feel it. The only potential issue is the fact that the segment is more competitive than ever before, so no one can guarantee that these updates will ensure any gain in terms of sales numbers. Rivals are shaping up as well, and some of them, such as the 2027 Kia Telluride you can check out in our next video, are getting a redesign full of radical changes. New exterior and interior designs, brand new infotainment system, and other tech features and improvements regarding passenger space are kinda expected. But the Telluride is coming with 2 completely new hybrid powertrains, one of which is a hybrid that combines respectable power figures with excellent fuel economy. The Telluride is known as an excellent value, but the new model is setting the bar even higher.